राज्यात दिसपट्टी बेरोजगारी वाढपाक लागल्या आणि शिकिल्ले सुद्धा बेकार आसात आणि हे खातीर विधानसभेत बेरोजगारी बिल बेगीनच हाडचो म्हूण मागणी काँग्रेसीचो आमदार लुइजिनो फालेरोन केल्या. परवरच्या नाटेक्स गोवा खातीर गौतम शिरोडकार.
Now here is a classic example how this government is trying to gag the voice of the opposition. You know, today a burning problem is unemployment. And today the worst part is the highly qualified, educated people are not getting employment. So in the last session, as per my earlier employment policy, employment for all, which policy I had implemented to the extent of 90% employment goals and all that. But as one provision of that policy was unemployment allowance and self-employment scheme. I didn't implement it at that time because we thought there were avenues for our youth to provide employment. I had brought also certain notifications to ensure that even in private sector, in industries, 80% jobs were reserved for Goans. But today it is not happening. No Goans are getting employed and there is no hope for the employment. So in the last assembly session, I had moved a private members bill when in the last session, unemployment allowance and self-employment bill. I can understand because of certain reasons, the sickness of the Honorable Chief Minister, Assembly was curtailed to 3 days and Friday did not come and therefore this bill did not come for a discussion in this house. But I also gave another notice on the first day of the notification of this assembly session. And I found that last Friday also they have not brought the bill. Now this is something very, very fishy. Because a private member has got every right that his legislation must come. And it should have come last time, which is understandable. But it should have come first Friday of this session. It has not come. I feel this is injustice. This is flouting against the rules of procedure and conduct of business of the House, because this should have come last Friday. And therefore, yesterday I have given a notice that this unemployment bill should have come last Friday. It should come immediately, not next Friday. We should be able to debate this, because this is again another burning issue of unemployment of our youth. Our youth, after getting so much educated, they are not having because this right to employment is enshrined in the directive principles of the Constitution.